D&G Studio.
Gaming what?
Yes! Let's go!
No cluster foxtrots in my unit. Let's run this.
Oh, yes sir. Pistols only. I wish you could go in chat and be like, yo, Tom, Don, pistols only. Tommy Don.
Are we going pistols only?
Get red.
Yes, bro.
Alright, let's do it.
This is the gameplay. This is the gameplay for the channel, dog, right here. Pistols only.
Alright, let's
we have
get
yet
it.
to see a pistols only gameplay. Oh, yes, Tom. Look at Tom.
Oh, let's go.
This is your champion. There's a thin line between life and death. Find me there.
Here's a crappy squad. Alright, Tom, where you want to go? Cool, going here, Tom?
Let's touch down here. Let's land here.
Where's you want to go? Okay, cool. Tom, now if you don't launch in 3, 2, 1, okay?
Dropping in. Hang on.
My trigger finger with the P2020 is stupid. Alright, bro, I feel like if someone pushes you, you should be able to kill him with whatever gun you have until, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
nah, freak that, no, no, sir. No, sir. You gotta hope you pick up a pistol.
Do grenades count?
Throwing arc star.
Does an alternator? No, that's an SMG.
Nope, he's on me. I threw a star at him.
Well, all
Got me again.
Well, all I have is an alternator. And
I'm running.
And I can't use it.
2 guys on me.
Attention. First blood. First blood. Contact. On my marker.
3rd guy on me. Frick, dude, why am I just keep running into people?
Off the mic.
Yep, he's shooting me,
Fire. Round
Smoke
one.
out.
Beginning ring countdown. Inside the ring. Got the positional advantage.
Oh, I knocked him with a punch! Die, you piece of
Yes, oh my
crap.
gosh, what a crate! What a crate! A wingman and a P2020.
Well, I need one of those. Cause I don't.
You have a gun to me?
I don't have a gun.
Wait. Okay, okay, come here.
Oh, there are guys up here.
You gotta cut me then, Ben, because I have the gun.
I'm dead.
No.
Until we meet again,
All right.
buddy.
Hostile over there.
Oh, good freaking play. Don't worry, Dison. I've got you. Don, stay alive because we need you. Don's just dropping people. Don is dropping, folks. I repeat.
I can't believe you just got
Bringing
me.
you back in, baby. Don got another kill. Yes, and here's an RE45 for you. I'll leave the ammo for you too. Need that. Here's a Mozambique for you. Wait, can you use this on the Mozambique? Yep, you can use that on the Mozambique. I have 2 pistols for you as soon as you land. Right here. Where'd they go? Did you get them?
Yeah.
Might be something good this way.
Go back to Don. Go back to Don. Don has. He's coming. Don, how many kills do you have? You piece of crap. Still all the kills?
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Well, we don't have
New
3.
kill leader. Call him if you spot
know.
him. Going to face.
Oh, what the frick?
That scared the crap out of me.
No, Don, what are you doing? The box?
Oh, P2020.
That's yours. That's yours, yeah. Get your P2020 back. Don, where'd your kills go, bro?
Beautiful looking gun.
Don.
Half the
What'd you
squad's left. No time to be
Yep, Don,
tired.
got kills right here.
Death box here. Let's go this way.
RE45 if you want it.
I've already got an
Need a body
RE45 and
shield.
a P2020.
Backpack in there. Oh, wait. Where'd the other guy go? Oh, they're in here. Kills
Do
him.
I get a wingman over the P2020 or the RE45?
That's on you. It's up to you, dog. I'm carrying a wingman and a
I'm gonna go wingman and RE45.
that's what I'm carrying. That's what I'm carrying. This box just like phased out. Ready to head towards the bunker?
Yeah.
Let's check out this area.
Yep, wingman P2020. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. Wingman's your long distance. The P2020 is your close up. Dude, the trigger finger you can have on a P2020 is stupid. Like if you tap, like it actually shoots like that. Plus, you coming?
I'm coming, brah!
We're all inside the ring. Good.
Or should we say you can run double P2020s?
I mean, you can run whatever pistols you want.
What if we said double P2020s only?
That'd be nuts.
The longbow, and you just like can't touch the longbow. Dropped a wingman right here.
Wingman here.
I got one.
He's got it. What does he have on his? What's on mine? Nothing. I want his.
Looks like a care package is coming in.
Appointed.
Big things in
Yes,
that.
sir.
Jump in now.
Dude, look what happens when
New
you
kill
inspect your
leader. Eyes
wingman.
out for 'em.
Oh, that's epic. You spin it for. Oh, what?
And then it pops open.
That was cool.
That's dope. What do you? When you say the P2020, he just looks at it. Like this piece of crap. Whoa! You scared the piss out of me, Don. Dude, Thomas Don is just going off. I wish you could see how many kills your teammates have. That's kind of annoying, actually. Oh, Dice.
Even
Look at
ultimate
it.
accelerant here.
Just a pack of stuff, dude.
Too bad we can't pick any of it up.
That's what I said. It's a dang shame you can't touch any of it. You just get to look at it like, oh, that'd be nice to be carrying a hemlock right now.
Yo, if we
50
got
kills
this,
though.
if we got this,
How many kills do you?
One.
But with kills, I don't want to get it with like 3 or 4 kills. You know what I'm saying? I want to. Oh, with a punch, you're right. You got there's ammo in here.
Light ammo here.
I don't want to get it with like 2 kills apiece. I want to get it with like 3
Listen
or
up,
4.
I'm calling a
I told
lifeline
you,
package in.
me and Trent played, and I was using this exact loadout, P2020 and a wingman, and walked out of this place a winner with 9 kills, bro. We were playing super cheeky, like we were like running up on every squad, third party.
No, forget that.
Alright, come on, bro.
Let's go. We'll just push like big fights, and we'll just pick people off with the wingman. If they push us, we switch to the P2020s and just go ham.
Well, I got an RE45 instead of P2020. Guy.
Guy?
Oh, right here.
Drop one. He needs grenades too, right?
Yeah.
Throwing thermite.
Crawling into the smoke.
Heads up, we've got an airstrike.
Assist knockdown? Oh, frick, dude.
We're totally
I
dead.
gotta get out.
I'm totally dead.
We have a thing right here to pick you up, so. Get smoke.
Dom got another.
Reloading. You killed.
Oh, he's the kill leader. Let's
With
go.
what, 5 kills?
Yeah.
Dude, I got it down. Where's my down at?
Dang it now.
Dude, that's trash. I got it down.
Yo, look
I
at all
need
these
it.
guns, bro.
Don't touch any of them, my big man. Hey, here's that better shield. Digital threat? Frick, you can... Here you go. Good shit.
Oh, hello, Mr. PC.
Just a scrape. 1 second.
Contact with hostile.
Dude, I got it down. Push me, I dare you.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
They're trying to heal up.
Throwing Arc Star. Throwing thermite. Throwing thermite.
Oh, he's so lit. On me.
Got him.
Yes, Dyson. Yes, Dyson.
Make that 3 kills. Let's go.
Dude, I'm gonna be pissed after the end of this game. Just watch. You wanna bet that I probably have
Reload.
maybe more body
Recharging
shield
my
right here?
shields.
Helmet.
Pass me that
Heels
shield.
run behind you.
You wanna bet that I have just as many like damage? Just as much damage?
Probably, but somebody's.
That's so frustrating to me. Dropship. Skull piercing? That's about time. Now it's game on, dog.
I just got skull piercing too.
Look, this is what I've been missing. Push us, I dare you. We've got pistols and Shandon.
Let's go.
It's not the game knows we're going pistols only, so they give us a good
He
player.
just shot
Ew.
Tom Don.
Is he not coming over here? I'm in the dropship picking up stuff. So if you need me, holler.
Calling in a lifeline package.
Supply ship over there.
Gold barrel stabilizer. You need it, don't you? Huh?
What?
Don't you need a gold barrel stabilizer?
Yes, yes, yes.
Continue progress. Good, we're inside.
He's gonna come get it, I think.
No, he's not.
Let me get it for you. Want
I got
me
it.
get it for you?
I got it.
Hurry, hurry! I'm blocking it. Let me know if you need me to get it.
Wait.
Blocking it.
No, you're good. He fell down.
Here he comes, dummy.
Package being delivered.
Got it.
Package
Oh,
touching
okay.
down. They
Here
usually
you go, here you
carry
go.
rare platforms.
Let's go.
Now your shots. You shall never miss.
Oh, this is epic,
How-
bro.
How many kills do you have?
3, 1 punch and 2 kills.
Helmet here. Level 2.
Dang, dude, I'm gonna be so pissed. I just know for a fact.
Well, bro, it don't matter because we need. If I get like 1 more kill, this is going on YouTube. Pistol only, gonna blow up.
Dang, dude, I have.
Come on, G. You got like plenty of freaking time. There are 11 people left.
Yeah, you right. Oh, drop, pushing it.
Let's check out this area.
I love how when we have regular guns, we don't push like this. When we have pistols, all of a sudden we're
Exactly.
like, push.
Beginning ring countdown.
We're like trying to get kills, so we have
Say
pistols
one, we're all
only.
inside this
Or
ring.
we're like, push. Drop carry down right here.
It's epic, bro.
They
This
picked
is
it up.
so
Someone
much
got
fun.
it. Someone got it.
Well, they're finna die. Cause Tom Don's here.
Right here.
Tango spot. Target spotted.
Let's go this way.
Oh, there's 2 guys are fighting.
Come on
We're gonna split them up.
Painless is waiting.
Is that legal? Can I do that?
Yep, I just did it too. Oh, you did that?
Okay.
Hey,
Maybe.
it's your ability. I called in my ability.
Yep, we gotta get over here.
Contact.
Getting shot at.
Yes,
Finish him, finish him.
Down to target. Loading.
Hold on, I gotta heal.
Just giving my shield.
Push us, push us.
On me, on me! Oh, this is so intense, bro. Right here on me.
Rings nearby.
Right here.
Sean Don.
Tom Don, please save us, bro. If he saves us, it'll be the clutchest thing of all time.
Ah, there's so much smoke.
Yo, come on, baby.
Rings close.
Tom Don, you got this. You gonna clutch it for us, baby. Come on.
Here.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Contact.
That's okay.
Less than 30 seconds.
He got him.
Rings nearby.
Tom Don, get me.
Whole squad down.
This is it.
To it.
Yes, let's go!
All good.
Dude, I'm so heated. I have so much damage done.
Yo, this is epic. Yo, how many kills do you have, G?
Taking a knee.
The one? I just had that one, dude. I definitely
Yo,
got the
you're
other guy
good,
too.
bro. Don't worry. Let's
It's
win this so we
funny
can put
that
it
I
on
wanna get
YouTube.
kills. Ring closing. Ring closing.
Bro, come on, let's get this so we can put it on YouTube.
Digital threat attachment. I got them on both my guns now.
Big things in that.
I have the gold digital threat on both
Come
my
on, they're
guns.
through. They're through where we just came from.
Enemy over there. Never mind.
Yes.
Let's
We're
go.
coming.
Let's go.
We're
Let's go.
coming,
Let's
Don.
go.
Might be something good this way.
This is so funny.
This is so much fun. Drops coming right there.
Let's reposition here.
Yeah, I pinged it. 3 squads left. Come on, Sean, do your thing, bro.
Round 4.
I'm going left. I'm going left. Go towards the circle.
I'm coming with you.
Don, come on, bro.
Let's check out this area. Cancel that.
Yo, that's. I feel like this is a bad idea going to that thing.
No, we're going left. We're not going that thing. Sean Don, Sean Don. Oh no.
It's Tom Don, not Sean Don, you dude.
I know. I got a buddy on my team they call Sean Don for some reason.
I guess we're going with him. Yeah, you get
His
all that.
name's
You
Sean, they call
deserve
him
it.
Sean
You need all that to be able to save us later.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Shields and gold knockdown shield. I'm just saying, if he gets knocked down,
Death box over there.
I mean, we're.
No, he doesn't need it. We need it.
Yeah.
Copy that.
He spotted an enemy. We're pushing.
They spotted you. Take the shot.
To your left, to
Oh,
your left, to your left. Be
fuck,
careful.
fuck.
He's late. He's a one shot. Say hello to my little friend.
One's right here.
Contact with hostile.
I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hits.
I'm getting up close and personal. Let's go. Got one.
Reloading.
He's lit. Yeah.
Enemy down. Reloading.
Wait.
Behind me, bro.
I'm not with you yet.
Double timing it.
Get him. Behind us.
I gotta spin. I gotta spin. Get out. Get out. I gotta spin. I gotta get spin. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. You gotta run. Come on. Come on.
I'm running.
Sean, no, we're saving you. Don't worry, Sean. I mean, Don. Are they shooting at you?
Yeah. One guy's pushing you.
My shields are recharged.
Right Right here.
Hell no.
We're all
Shot
inside the ring.
Got it. Got another.
This time will be different.
5 kills.
Just
Look at
give
Sean.
the kids a recharge.
Up top.
Yep. Yo, it's us and them, bro.
Pushing you. Decoy. They're pushing us.
Got another. On me.
Above you.
Reloading.
I've been down.
Got one.
Right here.
Taking fire. I've been down.
Someone has revive.
My sight's down another.
Yo, get me, get me.
Yes! Let's go! No way! No way!
This game is too easy.
Pistols only, let's go! Let's go!
Pistols only, baby.
Champion.
How many kills did you have?
Pistols.
I think I had 6.
No idea. I have no idea.
6, 3, and 7. Let's go! YouTube video coming up. Woo!
What the freak did I tell you? Hold on, look at my damage now. What the freak did I tell you?
Let's
I
go,
doubled
baby.
yours and had way more than him. I freaking knew that.
It's good though. We just won